How to add a member to a WhatsApp group. To get started, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat where you want to add a new member. Once inside, tap the group name at the top, the group information screen will open. Scroll down until you find the Participants section. Here you will see the list of people who are already part of the group. Below, you will find the Add Participant option. Tap this item, and your address book will open. At this point, select the person or people you want to add. You can also search for them by typing their name in the search bar at the top. Once selected, tap the green check mark at the bottom on Android, or Next, on iPhone, to confirm. In a few moments, WhatsApp will send the invitation and the new participant will join the group. All members will receive a notification with the name of the person added. Another way to add someone is via an invitation link. Still from the group information, scroll down to the Invite to Group via Link item. By tapping it, you can copy the link, share it or generate a QR code. Anyone who receives this link can join the group by simply tapping it. Warning: only group admins can add new participants or share the invitation link. If you are not an admin, you will not see these options. That's it. Now you know how to add new members to a WhatsApp group in just a few seconds. If you want to see more tricks and tutorials to use WhatsApp at its best, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.